What if I told you there's a gentle mix that can protect your plants and feed them at the same time, using just two simple ingredients? If your leaves are getting spots, looking dull, or your plants seem stressed, this easy solution can help bring them back into balance. Start with 1 liter of clean water. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps reduce fungal problems and keeps leaf surfaces clean and protected. Now add half a cup of milk. Milk contains natural proteins and minerals that nourish the plant and support stronger, greener growth. Mix it well until everything is fully combined. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. Lightly spray it on both sides of the leaves, early in the morning or late in the evening. This timing helps the plant absorb nutrients better and prevents leaf burn. You can also pour a small amount around the base of the plant. This supports the roots while the spray protects the leaves. Use this mix once every 10 to 12 days. With regular use, you'll notice healthier leaves, fewer spots, and stronger growth overall. Sometimes the simplest care brings the best results. Try it and let your plants quietly show you the difference.